Contact us right now. Quick Release Bail Bonding. A bail bonds operating. Our business operates out of the Charlotte, North Carolina and the surrounding. We utilize the latest and greatest in technology to enable almost every defendant make bail. Quick Release Bail Bonding has been operating in the bail bonds, DWI bonds, felony bail bonds, immigration bonds, ankle monitors, and more market for 10 years and competes against notable businesses such as Amistad Bail Bonds and Charlotte Bail Bonds. Mike, Quick Release Bail Bonding's owner, CEO, spoke about its recent recognition, expanding on some of the decisions and motivations that led the buzz. Quick Release Bail Bonding plans to maintain its position at the forefront of our businesses on cutting edge of the bail bond industry. More information on Quick Release Bail Bonding can be found at their website, https://www. Contact us at https://www.quickreleasebails.com.